Is there an AI bubble? For the past week, Nvidia stock value has been dropping. Some investors are concerned, but others remain optimistic. NTD's David Lamb has more.
Amid fluctuations this week, the stock value of major tech company Nvidia dropped by 10% as of market close on Friday.
If we're in a bubble, which I don't think we are per se, but if we are, I don't think it would have the type of crash we had in the early 2000s. That said, we have to keep our head on a swivel and be mindful of the investments we're making because, you know, if it's not a bubble now, we could create one with overexuberance, for sure.
The valuations for artificial intelligence continue to be on the minds of investors. Concerns over a possible stock market bubble driven by AI have led to bumpy trading for major tech companies known as the Magnificent Seven. And the circular investments among companies in the AI sector have drawn criticism for their risk. But some entrepreneurs at an AI summit in Silicon Valley are hopeful. Andy Mathis, an executive at a virtual reality firm, says it's arguable whether there's an over-dependency on some of the big tech companies.
That said, I think it'll come down to, are these large ventures, not so much the Nvidias, but the other companies that are investing, making investments, are they driving revenues? And are those revenues growing? If so, I feel like we're in for a relatively stable ride. If not, then yeah, it could get ugly.
One CEO says the stock market fluctuation isn't something he thinks people should focus on.
It reminds me of Amazon's stock a lot of years ago, like when it was like going down, but then the company was doing really good. So I don't really monitor it because we know the innovations coming along, but that would change a lot in the future.
And a high school student added this.
I'm not totally worried about it because I feel like it's so important, like there's so many eyes on it, and I feel like it needs like a little bit more like refinement than like we think it does.
Recently, Trump administration officials said there are no plans to bail out AI companies. And OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said the company doesn't want government guarantees for its data centers. David Lamb, NTD News, California.